Welcome back for the third word problem. We are almost through this course. Another trapezoid. Pete's garden is in the shape of a trapezoid. If seeding sod costs 50 cents per square foot, how much will it cost Pete to cover this garden in sod? And obviously, I left out something very important. I left out the dimensions of this trapezoid. So I'm going to fill those in now, and you'll need to fill these in your book also. I don't know why I did not put them in. Just one of those things. Okay, let's make this base 20 feet. Let's make this base 16 feet. And let's make the height of the trapezoid, which is an inside dimension, that is always perpendicular to a base. I'm going to make it maybe 17 feet, and I'm just guessing, guys. This is not to scale. Okay, the key word here is cover. Also square foot. That is a good clue that we are doing an area. We're not interested in the perimeter of this thing. We're wanting to cover the garden. So covering is area. And the area of a trapezoid is 1/2. Some formulas go ahead and put the height in, but it doesn't matter as long as you get them all in there. The formula will work just the same. So to plug in the area numbers, you need 1/2. Make the space. So one base is 16 and the other base is 20, and the height is 17. And you can use your parentheses, but I would go ahead and simplify. I think you're less likely to make mistakes. It's up to you though. So add those two and then drop the multiplication. Once you're down to just multiplying, you're safe to go ahead and do the calculator. So the area of this garden is 306 square feet. But that was not the question. We have to convert the square feet, or not convert it, but we have to bring in the dollar amount. We have to figure out how much it will cost him to cover his garden. And there are a few ways you can do this. I like the proportion because I teach that method. So if you want to use a proportion, you need to set up your little frame like this. This is another good course to have before you take a test. And in this problem, we are comparing dollars to square feet. And let me straighten this up a little bit. So that's the ratio, the comparison ratio that we're doing. And let's go ahead and plug these numbers in there. So the problem tells me that it's 50 cents for 1 square foot. So there's the unit rate. For 1 square foot, it's 50 cents. And we want to cover, or Pete wants to cover, 306 square feet. That's this number for his garden. So here is the cross product, or the peanut, if you've had my class. You have 50 cents times 306. That's 2 for $1. So that's $153. And then divide that always by the number that's not in the peanut. And again, this is not a proper math statement, guys. I'm showing you the calculator keystrokes. So we're looking at $153 worth of sod to do this job.